So today I'll be showing us how to style factory made wigs into glueless wig to make it fit firm in your head. So for closures and frontal, so I'm showing a series of videos on how to do it. So let me first start by explaining before I show you videos. Hello Lawlahre Hairline family, it's your girl Lawlahre Hairline, where we talk about all about hairs and wigs. So if you're new to my channel, can you do what? Subscribe to my channel and you're welcome on board. Lawlahre Hairline loves you anytime, any day. We're always here for you to serve you on hairs and wigs all the time. Updates on hairs and wigs all the time. We got you covered. So for my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you all for always showing up on my channel. Lawlahre Hairline loves you too, back to back, anytime, any day. So let's go. So this is a factory made full frontal wig. You can see full frontal factory made wig. So now to style this into a glueless wig, all you just need to do is to get the perfect measurement of the person's head, because you'll be cutting part of it. So you get a perfect measurement of your client's head, so you can tell them to just do the measurement of the circumference of their head. There are different size chart of wigs to fit each client's head. So if they give you the circumference of their head, you can work with that. So now after working with that, you just cut this part, the little side, because this part is measuring 13. So this is a 13 by 4 closure or frontal wig. So this side is measuring 13. So that's how you do it. So now you now take off, after measuring this client side, it can be 11, it can be 12, like that. So different clients with their head size. So now if it's 12, you just have to measure it with your tape rule. You take your tape rule and measure the 12, then you cut out this part, the excess part of it, the excess part, you cut them out. And all you just need to do, you put your elastic band, see elastic band, you now put it from this side of the wig cap, the frontal wig cap, to this side, so that way it will stay firm on the client's head and it will give that glueless look. It will be as though they installed it as a glue. That's how it will be. But I'll still be showing videos about it, but just listen to my explanation. So if it is a closure wig too, what you just need to do for the closure wig is that you just need to put what's it called, you just need to put, say, a closure wig. Now this is a 2x6 closure wig. So all you just need to do is to get the customer's head size, then you just put an adjustable elastic band wig strap to it, adjustable wig strap to each end, this side to this side. It can be adjustable, it can be single one. So after showing, let me show you the adjustable strap. So this is what the adjustable wig elastic strap looks like. So all you just need is to put it on each end of the head, like from the ear to ear of the closure wig. Then you put this one there, you put it on, then you just, if the customer wants to, it's not fitted, the customer can adjust the strap by bringing it out this way, then adjusting it to fit their head size. You can just adjust it, you know, the way you adjust the bra, and that's the way you adjust it. Then you fit the client's head, because client can fit into their head anytime, any day. You just keep pulling the strap till it fits your head perfectly. That's what comes with it. Or we use elastic band like this. We use elastic band like this one. It comes with it also. So that's how you get your glueless look for your closure wig. So with this being said, I'll be showing you other videos you can use to check out how it's been done. So just watch these few videos that I'll be showing you, so you'll be able to learn on it very well. Physical method of them training you how to do it. So after it being explained, I'm just showing you the physical method of it being done.
This is for people that wants to turn their factory wigs into glueless. A lot of people have been looking forward to this video. Finally, here it is. Now the first thing you need to do is take out the elastic band that came with the wig. Take it out on both sides. Now after taking it out, you need to measure the entire length of the frontal, which is usually 13. You can see I have 13 there. Now take out the ear to ear measurement of your client. Remember, if the ear to ear measurement of your client is 12, you need to take out 1 inch from the 13 inches frontal. That is, take out ½ inch on both sides. I am going to do that in this video. I have secured my points with a needle. After that, I am going to be taking out that part. I I am going to be cutting out the entire section. You can see what I'll be doing in the video. I'm going to be cutting out that part that I have sectioned out. That is the ½ inch on that side. I'll go to the other side and repeat the same thing. Now, when I'm done with that, I'm going to be tacking that down, and I'll go to the other side and repeat the same thing. You can see the way I have secured that spot with a T-pin. Now when you are done tacking down, you should have something like this. Now you can see that I have extra lace in front after tacking down. Look at the lace. Now I have extra lace in front. Now my wig is glueless. What I have to do next is apply my elastic band. Stop using the hook elastic on factory wigs. You don't need them. You need to take them out totally. Take out those hook elastic. You do not need them. Take the two of them out completely. Now after doing that, get the accurate size of the elastic band you are going to be needing. Now moving to the placement, you need to place the elastic band directly with the flow of the cap. What I mean is to let the elastic band and the cap be on the same line and slide it into the lace at least ½ inch. You can see what I am doing in the video. Make sure your cap and the elastic band are on the same line and slide it into the lace at least ½ inch. After that, you tack it down on both sides. By the time you are done, you should have something like this. You can see that my elastic band is now inside the lace, but it is on the same wave with the cap. Follow these steps and you're on your way to turn your factory wigs into glueless. You can see how flat and laid both sides look.
Now this is the closure one into glueless. So she applied all the needed product to style the wig. So now look at the way she's styling the closure area. See the way she's doing it. Just watch how she's doing it till the end, so you can learn how to style your closure as glueless. So take note, after doing all this, she applied the elastic band too with it. So the elastic band was there on the head. So I believe after watching this video, you've learned a new skill, which is actually adjusting your factory made wigs, be it closure or frontal, into a glueless wig, so it will make it very firm, so that your clients can wear it, or you yourself can wear it very firm without even being bothered about it coming off or having to wear glue on it. You know, glue is always stressful to wear and everything, so it's easy for us to wear factory what's it called, glueless wig anytime, any day. After learning all this, do well to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment under this post, so that we can know that you've learned something new on how to change your factory made wigs into glueless. So that's the way it's done. So, and don't forget to also share with your friends and family who might be interested in how to turn factory made wigs into glueless wigs. So don't forget to also hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that's when you get more videos like this on hairs and wigs from us, because we always give you updates on hairs and wigs all the time. So hit the subscribe button and turn up your post notification, so you get to get posts like this from us. So we'll see you in our next video. Thank you for showing up today. We love you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.